Let's see how you can actually collect phone numbers from your audience through a simple Instagram chatbot and send them WhatsApp messages as well. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to connect your Instagram and the WhatsApp as well. So to do that, go to channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings channels where you can easily connect your WhatsApp right here. So if you already have a WhatsApp business app, you can easily connect the same phone number right here as well. So here, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect a specific phone number from the WhatsApp business app. And you can also watch the video right here explaining how to do that. And here, if you're wondering how to connect Instagram, again click on learn more. We have the step-by-step guide on how to click on connect button. You will need to simply log in with your Instagram account and make sure all these permissions are allowed and simply connect it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations for the Instagram and the WhatsApp. And here we want to collect the specific customer's phone number, audience phone number from the Instagram, and then send the WhatsApp messages as well. So here we have already created a sample flow as well, which says Instagram discount to WhatsApp. So let me show that. So here it says, welcome, want to unlock your discount jackpot and receive your exclusive discount on WhatsApp. So if they say yes, we simply ask them to reply with the WhatsApp phone number, and then we also ask for their full name as well, and then we simply send a message saying we have received your phone number, please check your WhatsApp. And here we are sending the specific WhatsApp template message to them. So here, if you want how to send a specific WhatsApp template message, you can click on send message, choose WhatsApp. So here make sure to choose WhatsApp. And so since you're actually initiating a conversation by yourself, you have to use the template message option right here, and you have to actually create those template messages you want to send and provide approval, get approval from the Meta before you send those template messages as well. So if you're wondering how to create those template messages, go to settings over here. In settings channels, click on WhatsApp and manage, where you can actually create and manage your own template messages as you like as well. So let me show that. So here template message, and here you have the option to create those template messages as you like. So here we have already created 2 template messages and those are approved as well, so that means they are ready to be sent to your customers. And you can click on add option, where you can actually create the template message as you like as well. Alright, so here we are actually using that specific template message right here. So the flow name is Instagram discount WhatsApp. So you can actually set up a specific keyword to trigger this specific flow as well. So go to the keyword section over here, where you can actually set up specific keywords. So here we have set up the specific keyword discount, and the flow will be triggered right here as well. So when they send the specific keyword, it will trigger the specific flow and send the specific messages to the specific customers as well. Alright, so now let me share my phone screen over here and show you how this actually works. So here I'm in Instagram, so let me send a direct message with a specific keyword discount. Alright, and now let's see what happens over here. You can even set up comments automation for this specific keyword as well, but let's check through the Instagram DMs as well. Welcome, want to get the unlock the specific discount. So let me say yes, let's do it. And from here it will simply ask them to provide the specific WhatsApp phone number as well. So let's see what happens. Awesome, WhatsApp phone number. All right, 435673. All right, I have provided the phone number as well. So now it will ask me to provide a name as well. So it says thanks, one last thing, what's your full name? So let me say that Jetic Media. All right, so it says great, we have received your phone number, and ask them to check the WhatsApp as well. So here I'm in the WhatsApp, so it says hello Jetic Media, and we are excited to offer you a 10% discount. So here we have received a specific template message as well, so it provides the option to visit website as well. So here if we go to the flow section, we can see the exact template message we have received right here. So here this is how the template message looks like, and here this is the message we received in the WhatsApp as well. All right, so here if you go to the unified inbox, you can also track those conversations happened as well. So here in the unified inbox you can track all these conversation happen, and from here also agent can easily send messages to the specific customer through the Instagram, SMS if you have connected a SMS phone number, or through the WhatsApp as well. So the possibilities are endless over here, and that's a quick video on how you can actually send a WhatsApp message through the Instagram chatbot. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.